My name is Rob and I work in IT.
I've forgotten your name, by the way.
Michelle.
Michelle.
Are you joking?
Weddings.
No, I'm useless.
Coxie.
The
You're the
middle
most
one that I had.
outrageous old man. When did you turn it?
What could you have said extra?
Oh, well, it was that silence thing where you naturally want to just keep jabbering.
If I get lost, I'm not gonna run. I'm just gonna take it all in. I made a promise to take it as it comes. For all the times I never did.
We're going to play a little warm-up game just to get things going, get a bit of energy going, wake this man up. I will not pick on you, I will not. Get your finger, which is going to represent your sausage, and place it on the palm of the person to your right. You should have a sausage in your left hand.
Should we wiggle it?
Be clear on that, or are we all good? 3, 2, go!
Right, I've forgotten what our team name is.
The Big Cock. You can accept that?
Oh, cool. I can't remember the team.
Open your
Get it?
eyes over and over again. Open
Wow.
over and over again. Eyes, open your eyes over again. Eyes, open your eyes over again.
This evening definitely there'll be more fruits, water, healthy nutrients taken on board. I mean, we're all lying here. There's going to be lots of alcohol, horrendous food, probably silly activities and games.
My turn yet?